Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me again today on my channel. It's time for Easter, it's the Easter period, and I decided to make another video. Last year I also made a video, but this one is way better, way interesting, and here we are. So guys, this is the outcome of what we made. Like, today's video is about how to decorate the Easter eggs. Really simple ideas, and your kids are going to love it. Your grandkids, your neighbors' kids, wherever kids you have around you are going to love it. And it's not only kids activities, because I also had fun making them. So we made different types of eggs. All these are boiled eggs and they can be consumed. It's free to be consumed. You just take off the shell and then you can eat it, and it's going to be really great. So guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how I got this look, and please stay tuned. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe guys. My goal for this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers and more. So guys, please support me. Just click that subscribe button, like my video, share to your friends. And also, by the way, this video I dedicate it to all the new parents in Germany, all the new parents in Europe, or if you're a new parent and you're in a foreign country where people do activities and you don't even understand and don't know what to do about it. This video is for you guys, because I remember when I came here and people were doing this and I didn't even understand what's going on. Why are they doing this? But now that I have kids, I'm like, oh, they come from kindergarten, they have eggs, they come from the supermarket, they see the Easter hair, they see the colored eggs, and they ask me. So I'm like, it's time to start doing these things. And it was so much fun, guys, doing this. So stay tuned as I show you guys what we did, and I also wish you guys a happy Easter. So the first activity I did with my kids was taking the plastic eggs that I ordered from Amazon to decorate our tree outside. Last year I decorated the tree on my kitchen, but this year I decided now the girls understand, at least when I tell them not to take the eggs off the tree, they do. So we decided to decorate the small mini tree in our garden, and the girls helped me, and it was really great. So our first painting method, or our first decorating method, is really simple. Here in this package there are 5 different colors. There are plastic bags inside, and in this method you use raw eggs. These eggs haven't been cooked yet. So you take the color of your choice, add cold water in the plastic bag, you put in your favorite color, you open and pour in your favorite color inside. You put in the raw eggs. In our case, we put 3 eggs. I think you can put 2 to 4 eggs inside. So we put 3 eggs. We added the pink color, and then inside this package there are also clips. You use these clips to seal the bag, and then you take your plastic bag and put it in a boiling pot. And then you let your eggs cook. By the time they will be ready, the shell would have taken the color of the pink color. And then the first step will be done. So you can repeat this process and use all the colors that are inside, but since we wanted to do many different types of decoration, we just decided to do 5 eggs. So 3 eggs were pink and 2 eggs were yellow, and then we let them cook as we prepare for the next step. So this next step is also super simple. These are like buns. You just wrap it around an already boiled egg. And here also you have so many different patterns. You just choose which color or which pattern you want, you desire, and then you take it out. You just cut out one piece and then you wrap it around your egg. After wrapping it around your egg, you take a spoon. You put it in, you put the decorated egg or the wrapped egg in the spoon, and then you add it to a boiling water for at least 1 to 2 minutes, and then you take it out. Put it there to dry. Oh, cool. So our next step has some stickers inside. In this packet there are stickers inside, and there are also colors. So you take also here the color of your choice. In this case we have the red color. You pour this color in a glass, and there are also stickers inside. So you choose which sticker do you want to stick on your egg, and then first of all you stick the egg with your sticker of choice. There are gloves inside so that you don't get the color in your hand. You add cold water, you add the color inside, and then you put 1 tablespoon of vinegar inside and stir. Oh, the smell. Put in and then stir. So after putting the stickers on the egg, you add it to you put the egg in the color, and if you feel like the water is not enough, you can add more water and let it sit for 12 minutes. So our next decoration idea is also very simple. Like I said, everything is simple here. Here you need 2 bowls of cold water, or 3 depending on the number of children you have. So I had here 2 bowls of cold water, and I add 2 tablespoons of vinegar inside. And in this step also the eggs have already been cooked and they have cooled down. So, and then you cut the desired color of your choice or of your child's choice. You cut the lid of the capsule and pour the color inside.
Wow.
Mama, wait. First of all, we take Ariana's color.
Shall we pink?
Wait.
Shall we make pink?
Which color do you want?
Pink.
Where is pink?
That.
You want this one? Okay. Ariana, wait.
Ariana, warte.
So, and then you just open here.
Open here, blau.
Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boba, ya sé que me engañas. Estás loco llamándome. Rompió el cel para no contestarte. Mientras hay otra en tu cama, nunca pude imaginarme que era así estar con vos. Merecí la lección. Ahora ya no quiero todo cuero y nada.
So afterwards you can place an egg or 2 eggs depending on how big your bowl is, and then you put your egg inside and let it sit for at least 4 to 6 minutes, and then you take it out, put it on a kitchen paper, and the third part is done.
Que tú bla bla contamina. to me. Dice que estás en otro lado y estás en Carolina con ella. Ahí viendo Netflix, las heridas ya no tienen fix. Pero ve con ella, que te haga feliz. Y después no vengas a decir que te amo forever.
How many eggs do you have? How many eggs count? 1.
2.
How many eggs do you have?
2.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
So
En la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, ella sé que me engaña. Dice que me quieres, no sé. Que me con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, ella sé que me engañas. Tú sabes que lo tuyo daña. Cupido malgató su flecha. Yeah. No duermo en la madrugada. Te espero con la cama hecha. Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé. Dime con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engaña. Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé. Dime con otras mujeres, no sé. Ese nudo en la garganta me acompaña. Yo no soy boy, yo sé que me engañas. No sé, tú sabes. No sé.
So for the next step, we also have 5 different colors here. Also, you choose the color that you want, but the color is kind of so hard. I'm going to put it in hot water first to make it soft and flow, and then afterwards you're going to use it to decorate our egg. So here you need gloves. It doesn't matter what kind of gloves, but here we used plastic gloves that were in the package. And you also need already boiled eggs for this step. Cut the color that you want, put it on your gloves, and then you take the boiled egg and then you just kind of like play with the egg like you're massaging it. And during this process, there are going to be like patterns that are going to form from the gloves. You let your egg sit, dry, and it's ready. So guys, as you can see, this is the outcome of all the work that we've been doing. These are from the buns that we put in the water for 2 minutes, and then you can just be creative. We took like some eyes that we got from the play stuff from Ariana and Zoe, and we just put 2 eyes to the eggs to make it even more interesting. And I just love the outcome. It looks so good. And also another thing that it's just an additional idea that you can do is, now you see we're putting some oil, we are rubbing the oil to the eggs to give it some glow, to make it look shiny, but it's not a must. You can do it if you want, but it's not a must. So for those who are wondering, all these eggs that we did right now, they can be eaten. The only eggs that can't be eaten are the ones that I put outside in the garden. Those are plastic eggs, but these ones can be eaten.